Hello, everybody. Okay, my community project was done on Miss Downey. She is a fourth grade primary teacher at Morrilton Primary School. Miss Downey's primary challenge revolves around catering to the diverse needs of her students, particularly those with individualized education programs. With this class of 16 students, including those with varying learning styles, abilities, and requirements, Ms. Downey faces the task of providing personalized attention and tailored educational materials to ensure academic success to each of her students. This challenge is exacerbated by the need to align instruction with fourth grade English and social studies standards while accommodating the unique needs of each learner. To address this, Ms. Downey seeks effective ways to provide different instruction that address the distinct needs of each student in her classroom. Ms. Downey's students are around the ages of 10 and 11 years old, and they're currently in the fourth grade. Designing this lesson plan, I've taken careful consideration to ensure it aligns with the Common Core state standards in Arkansas in fourth grade ELA and social studies. By integrating technology rich activities and personalized learning tools, this lesson addresses specific CCSS and ELA standards, focusing on reading comprehension, writing skills, language development, and tailored an approach to incorporate key CCSS social studies standards, emphasizing critical thinking, historical analysis, and geographical understanding. Miss Downey had several things in her classroom that helped me choose this lesson. The first thing she had was laptop computers for her students, which provide personal learning opportunities through the access of educational apps and software. Each student can engage in interactive activities tailored to their individual needs, addressing the challenge of catering to the diverse student requirements, including those with individualized education programs. We also use the website MyNASA, which serves as a dynamic educational platform and empowers users to explore the universe and learn about NASA's groundbreaking work and cultivate a deeper appreciation for the wonders of space and science. We use this especially with the eclipse coming up. We thought this would be a great lesson plan to share with everyone. She also has a smart board, which facilitates the dynamic and engaging lessons, enabling Miss Downey to address various learning styles effectively. Interactive lessons can accommodate auditory, visual learners, and enhancing students' engagement and cooperation. She also uses ClassDojo. ClassDojo is a platform that offers personalized learning experience, adaptive exercise, and immediate feedback, catering to the individual student need or individual's needs. Miss Downey can leverage the ClassDojo app in various ways to address specific learning objectives and promote inclusivity, academic growth for all students. And you can also use ClassDojo to help with your behavior in your classroom, as well as providing feedback to students and communicating with parents. This lesson plan is over the solar eclipse. So this lesson plan is called Exploring Solar Eclipse. The introduction will be done on the smartboard. Miss Downey will introduce the topic of solar eclipses using engaging visuals and videos projected on the smartboard. She explains the science behind a solar eclipse, including the alignment of the sun, the moon, and the earth. They will use their laptops and computers with the educational software, and students will explore interactive simulations of the solar eclipse on their laptops using educational software. They observe how the eclipse can occur and learn different types of eclipses and the one that's coming to Arkansas. Then they will do group research using the smartboard and laptop computers. Students will divide into groups and conduct research on the solar eclipse. They will utilize the smartboard for collaborative brainstorming and laptops to gather information for reliable sources. This also helps students learn in the way that they would wish to learn when being in a group. If they're the hands on person, they can write the things on the board. If they're the active listener, they can listen to what's being said on the website that they're learning the eclipse for. Or if they're more of like the researcher, that's something they can do as well. We also integrated my NASA website into our lesson for the solar eclipse. and it could provide students with access to authentic NASA resources, fostering inquiry-based learning and enhance their understanding of the fascinating astronomical event that's going to happen tomorrow. Then we will have presentation development. Laptop computers and educational software will be used for this. Each student uses their educational software to create a multimedia presentation about the solar eclipse, and they incorporate text, images, and videos to convey their findings. Then they will have a group presentation on the smartboard. The groups will present their solar eclipse project using the smartboard and the classroom projector. Ms. Downey will provide feedback and facilitate discussions to present the information. This always helped with me growing up because I very much learned by teaching. In the reflection and assessment side of things, educational software and ClassDojo will also be used. Students reflect on their learning experience using educational software. Ms. Downey will then assess students' understanding through an online quiz and provide feedback using ClassDojo. We also have this as a printable option and a Google form so that there are many different ways that she can offer this to her IEP kids. By integrating technology at each stage of the lesson, Ms. Downey addresses the teaching challenge by providing personalized learning experience and supporting individualized instruction. Students engage with the topic of the solar eclipse through interactive activities, collaborative projects, and real-time